Here's a yummy potato stir fry you can serve your Christmas visitors. It has just the right amount of nutrients, a lot of protein, as much as you would like, and you would love this video. So stay tuned.
And it went like...
I'm sure you're wondering what these ingredients are for. So we're going to be making sweet potato stir fries today. And trust me, you want to try this because you're going to love it. The only difficult thing about sweet potatoes is cutting it. Once you have it chopped up, you're good to go. So this potatoes has been cut into bite sizes, and I sprinkled a bit of lime on it to reduce the browning process of the potatoes. Here we have cabbage. I have a lot of corn there. I don't think I'll use all of that. A bit of carrots, green beans, yeah, garlic, spring onion, cooked diced chicken, green bell pepper, and some tomatoes. We're not using regular onions for this, so let's get started. The first thing I'll do is to put in a bit of this coconut oil. That's more than a bit, but that's just the amount I need. Potatoes. So we don't want to deep fry this, we just want to kind of toast it and still have it cooked inside. So this is going to be done on medium heat. And I'm doing this on a small burner just so that it takes a bit of time before the heat spreads so that everything inside can still get cooked. So this has been on here for about 5 minutes, and I am just going to stir it. I'll stir this from time to time to make sure that every part is well cooked and properly browned. You can see that some parts of it are turning pale, so which shows that it's getting cooked. Can people see the burnt offering I have here? In anything you do, please do not watch TikTok while cooking. I'm going to continue with this potato like this. It's not too burnt. I can see it. Oh my God, why did this happen? I just turned my back to watch just 2 TikTok videos only for me to see that this thing has burnt. I'm going to put in a bit of water so that it will cook. So we have some crispy part now, and this water will just help it soften inside, you know. So you do this with like when you sear a chicken or sear something and then you put water in it for it to now cook properly. So that's what we are doing now. I'm not going to cover this because it can easily get soggy. So this will just cook. I'm going to just take this out now. We're going to toast the chicken for a bit. The chicken has been cooked, so I just want it to brown a bit. This is what we have after a minute. I mean, I have enough crispiness to work with from the sweet potatoes, so I don't want this to dry out. The fresh tomatoes, a bit more oil for the tomatoes to fry properly. That looks good. I don't know why it looks ugly on camera, but that looks good over here. So we're going in with the green beans, some of the sweet corn, a bit of fresh pepper. The garlic goes in now. A bit of salt, some seasoning. Potatoes will go in now so that when I mix it, everything would marry properly. Almost forgot I had these green peppers. Anyway, with the cabbage now, the carrots, and onion. I would put this off now. One of the best things to give your Christmas guests this December because it has a lot of veggies, it has potatoes, and it has meat. It's a time of love and happiness. So let us share love with this type of meal.